Hey Josh.
Yeah.
Throw us a rag, will you?
Yeah, 1 second. Here you go.
What's this?
Rag.
This is Tom's Fat Ford t-shirt.
Yeah, I know. He got more subscribers than us.
That bastard. Okay, thanks Tom for the t-shirts. And do you know where your t-shirt is, Josh? I bet you don't. You don't mind, do you? No, I'm loving the t-shirts, Tom. Look, hey, Tom from Fat Fords. See? Tom is grafting a Mustang undercarriage on a XB coupe, I believe it is, and an amazing job. You should check it out.
I'll throw the link in the description.
Yeah, and it's fun to watch. He's good at it. And, so his t-shirts are crap though. No, they're good.
I really like it actually. Tom, I've been wearing it as a daily. I've even worn it out, so a bit of free advertisement for you, mate.
Yeah, I bet you don't know where your t-shirt is now though, Josh, do you? Yeah, so anyway, reality is it's been a long time since we've done a video, and sorry about that. It's been buckling down rain with floods, hail, brimstone, sort of wrath of God type stuff. And Josh is here, there and everywhere and hard to pin down to do videos and editing and stuff. And
He likes to blame it on me.
yeah, blame it on Josh.
Yeah.
And,
I like to remind him that, it's his project.
yeah, and well,
It's become our project, I know.
yeah. Well, I feel it has. So anyway, so I've been having a motivational crisis. So I'm going to do the best I can and get back into it. I do little things. I've been doing a lot of work with, like going to the platers and going to the engine reconditioning guy and pulling out the springs and suspension and painting little bits and pieces that I haven't filmed. It's just...
We filmed a little bit. This video will be a bit of a mix of that kind of stuff, so it's not going to have a start to finish storyline, but it'll show exactly the little bits and pieces that you've been up to.
Yeah,
so
that's right. And, well, I do try and do my 10 minutes a day rule, where I just do something for 10 minutes, and it's been tricky because, we've had a lot of rain. It's the wettest winter we've had in years. And I can't win with the weather. And I don't like painting at the best of times, actually. It's not my thing. And so I just deal with it. I just have to deal with painting. And so thank you guys for being so patient. Please like and subscribe. And you can even hit the notification bell, because it's so long between drinks, you'll probably forget about us.
it's the only relevant time I've heard someone say that.
Morning, Josh. Josh has been sick. He's had the flu, sinus headaches. Needless to say, we haven't done much work lately. Not much has changed. No, he's got swine flu.
Bird flu.
It's bird flu. Anyway, it's been totally overcast, raining for the last week, and it still looks like it's not going to stop anytime soon. Everything's wet and miserable, and when it's not raining, it's steamy. So it's a real wet season. So anyway, so basically I've just thought, damn it, I'm not going to paint in this weather. It'll just ruin something. So we've been doing other things. One is we're going up to the electroplaters today, and so that's going to be plated, that box of Trix, and that one there, and another little one there. So when we've done that, that'll be sweet. It will be very inspiring to get all that stuff. So this is my new car. I've got a white one. Pop in the bonnet. What's he doing over here? How dare you? I got this car on recommendation of XA Coupe guy, Graham. He said, get yourself an XF, so all right, I said. So although it's a bit of an oldie.
It's a, you keep thinking Ford does, on XF.
XF, my brain says XF. It's a VF. So this is pre-zinced, so it hasn't been done yet. I probably don't need to do that, but I will. And all of this stuff here will get all zinced. And you can see what it looks like when you first start, and then this is what it looks like when you're finished. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? And you know, it's actually very reasonable. I can't find the rest of that. I took it apart. I can't find what I did with all the rest of the bits. It's troubling. And there's a lot of bits going to a car, isn't there? Actually, with some of these parts, I've probably got, you know, obviously the obviously these are the washers for the steering boxes, and I think you only need 3 of them, or maybe 4. But for some reason, I've got dozens of them. And so this is the, you know, like bonnet spring, door latches, or lock, guessing again. Just, it all looks so pretty, you know. It's terrible. It's just, this is for the that goes in the tailgate. Number plate, that was all rusty. It's unbelievable how good it looks. That was actually all rusty. That's for the number plate, screws on the back underneath, and the number plate light plugs in there and the wire comes through there. That's a 6-cylinder throttle mechanism, which I probably won't use, but somehow it all just got thrown in. And stuff, you know, like suspension bolts. I think they were new anyway, just had them redone. And they are new, not thick. What else we need? Bonnet latch. And that'll be pretty up there with that, won't it? And I forgot to take a box in, so there's a couple of boxes I'm going to take in again. It's just a fair way up the coast, so it's a bit of a water bottle to pack lunch to get up there. So anyway, so I just wanted to show you all of that. Lots of washers, nuts and bolts, springs. No, I don't know how that got in there. That's the brake self-adjusting. I think that's I may be wrong. I thought for a while it was a self-adjusting part off a back set of brakes, but it's not now. I don't know what that's off. Oh dear. It is just so cool, this stuff. That's to hold the back handbrake cable up, I think. Something like that, something. I'm only guessing because I forget now. But I do have another car I can pull apart at the same time. Oh yeah, there was one more box of bolts, these ones. And just hundreds of them. They come up so nicely. I just sort of threw as many as I could into, got them to do them. I mean, they're worthless rusty, so when they look like that, even if you don't use them, it's nice to have the spares. And I probably do another couple of hundred by the time I'm done. So if not, I'll put them on up for sale one day if I don't need them anymore. Anyway, I was just thought I'd pop that in too. Okay, that's the second coat on, and it took a few minutes. I probably would have liked to have been a bit heavier with the second coat in spots. It's still shiny. It goes matte. And it always catches me out, actually, I must say, how shiny it is before it goes matte. And, but that's it. She's all done. That's the front apron done. Another thing I never have to touch again. And yeah. So next is engine bay, and I guess I'm painting it vermilion fire, so we'll end up with a bit of a look like that. And it's a nice looking unit, isn't it? Like crockies. Anyway, more zinking going on, so I've got to drop him up with the zinc platers. And I think I'm going to drag out the rear springs and stuff. I've got to put the front suspension together.
I have to just rip it off.
Yep. But well, why don't you move the car around so that you can reach it. So pull down there. Got to teach them young. It's called slave labour. No, pull the car down.
Oh.
Yeah, down. That's, oh, gee, you're strong. Keep going.
No, it's fine for now.
I want you to go all the way. So we thought we'd better get there. Great. Are you cleaning up?
No.
He's got his Chinese work boots on. We'll give it all a Viking funeral. What do you reckon, that paper? Hey, Leon. We'll give it all a Viking funeral.
Yeah. And yes, I do know what you mean by a Viking funeral.
Yeah.
Burn it.
That's right. Burn.
The pain of Christmas.
Like you get every time I give you a hard time. Burn. He's got no answer to that. All right. I may put the thing on a tripod because I'm feeling old age kicking in.
You mean you're feeling lazy?
I'm feeling like doing it with you. And on top of that, you just create more mess. I've got to pick it up off the floor. The ground's a long way away these days.
You're the one who asked me to do it.
I thought you might like to do it.
I do, but it doesn't mean I want to clean it up.
Don't be a smart aleck. Just get to work. Everybody's a wise guy, eh?
Yeah, it reminds me of someone. Oh yeah, you.
See what I've got to put up with in my life. And Josh is no better. Well, I think that looks pretty neat. It's pretty nifty. That's neat. That's pretty... What do you reckon, Leon?
Yeah, it's okay. I'll leave you to the cleanup.
Bye-bye, Brett.
Make sure you subscribe.
Scumbag. Yes, like, share and subscribe, you've got to say.
Like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Never miss an upload.
He sort of got that right, didn't he? Sounds good to me. Quickly just show you how matte everything sort of goes off. It goes very matte. And it's very nice. That's probably sprayed it upside down. That's a run in the undercoat, or it was a run. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So it's paint's nice and thick. So yeah, so it goes nice and matte. And that's about it. So I just thought I'd show you that again. And of course, I'll be putting the suspension on soon. Putting it back on its feet, and then the rotisserie, I think, is going to go on either the sedan or this one. I'd like to do this one, I don't know why, just sort of thing. Josh wants to do the sedan, so we'll probably do the sedan. Okay, if I sound a bit puffed, it's because I've been lugging these and that around on my own, because my back hurts now, so that's just wonderful. And I thought I'd lost these. I found one, I had one in there, and I thought I'd lost one, but obviously I didn't. I never took them off. Same with the U-bolts. I thought I was missing U-bolts, but I obviously just had spares. U-bolts? God, U-bolts. I mean shackles, literally. And anyway, so I'm going to pull them off, and they can be sandblasted and painted. These are the two original springs out of the ute. the XY that is. And these ones here, they're real big there. I don't know, I think these are out of a 9-inch. So they must have had a different eye bolt. So I didn't know that. So you learn something. So anyway, as it is, I'm going to clean them, paint them, might pull them apart if I can. Might have to actually make up new bolts. Pull them apart, put them back together again. Once upon a time, they'd have a little, in here, they had a little neoprene or a nylon thing, a bush that thing. I actually think it might still be in there, I'm not sure. Now, they're more missing. There's one there. So if I can, I'll get a set of them so I can recondition the springs. But I haven't seen anybody around, anybody selling them. So, but I reckon any, you know, any leaf spring ones about that dimension will have them and they'll be just fine. I'll show you them when I get one out. When I was an apprentice, my boss used to do these. Where was it? Got to find it there. He used to do these just about every major service. He'd just get a screwdriver, bend them out, big screwdriver in there, and just slide it and put a new one in. And just made the suspension work better. There's another one there. Oh, that's the same one. Because I'm looking through a camera, it's a bit disorientating. But see that one there's completely worn away, it's gone. And so I need some of them. So I'll show you them when they come out. In fact, I'll take one out in a minute and show it to you. Back in a tick. Oh well, I thought I might as well show you. So show you I will. So they're all worn away completely. So I'll have to try and get a set. But ironically, the spring that's rusted out, it's still got them. That one's even still got the centre in it. And that's what they look like. Probably can't see that, can you? Yeah, they're just like a hexagonal shaped nylon thing, and you can see how they just scrape backwards and forwards on it. I'll have to try and get some more. Anyway, that's about the size of that. I'll be boring you after this, so I'm going to turn you off. Here we go. Hey Josh.
Yeah.
Throw us a rag, would you?
Hang on.
Oh, jeez. What's this? This is Tom's Fat Ford t-shirt he sent us.
Yeah, I know. The Muggle's got more subscribers than us.
Okay. Yeah, beauty. Works really well. Hey, thanks, Tom. It's great. I love it. He was a fuck. Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
Throw us a rag, will you?
Yeah, what's that? Yeah.
Not much work's been done on the car, but as you can see, a bit of work's been done here.
I've lost weight. I have lost weight. Don't give me that. Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
You throw us a rag.
Yeah, 1 second.
What's this, Josh?
That's rag.
Damn. Upside down. Fuck it.
Yeah.
So you can.
You do have to say, hey, by the way, Dad, where's my t-shirt? He was a scrawny calf. He looked kind of woozy. No one expected he was packing an Uzi. Yeah. No, that doesn't work.